So, friends, okay. So today we'll discuss about sale. So first, what is sale? Sale is the basic and structural unit of life. You know, it is the smallest part of a living thing, a living organism. It may be a human being. If we can consider our own body, that is human body, the body of an animal, of a plant. So these all are living organisms. So the microscopic particle, that is the smallest one, and the fundamental unit of the living organism. This is called as cell. Yes. So here we'll study about the structures and the functions, different functions performed by the cell. First, what is cell? So, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Yes, here we can see cell as the basic structural as well as functional unit of all living organisms. Yes, then in this chapter we'll study about variety in cell, size, structure, and function of cell of different organisms. So here we have to study about what is cell, its discovery. Okay, then discovery of the cell. So, so this is Mr. Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke, the first scientist who in 1665 observed thin slices of cork. So he observed cell, or we can say Robert Hooke discovered cell first for first time in the slices of cork. Slices means thin pieces, thin pieces. And what is cork? Cork is the bark of a tree. Yes, obtained from the bark of a tree. Bark means after covering. Yes. Then he observed that they had honeycomb-like structures. These cells, the cells that were observed by Robert Hooke, they looked like honeycomb. They have honeycomb like structure, and they were actually dead cells. Actually dead cells, in Latin word, in the Latin language, cell means little room. Cell means actually a little room. Yes, cell means actually a little room or compartment. Then, okay, so first we know what is cell. Cell is the basic structural and fundamental unit of life, or we can say it is the smallest part of the body of an organism or of a living organism. Yes. Then who discovered cell? Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered cell in a piece of a thin slice of cork. Cork means the bark of a tree, outer covering of a tree. Then, then these cells that were found by Robert Hooke have honeycomb-like structures, and they were actually dead cells which had cell wall because they were plant cells, so they had cell wall. Plant cell had cell wall, but animal cell doesn't. Okay. Then the classification of cell. Okay. Cells are classified on the basis of cell number, shape, and size. And on the basis of cell number, organisms are also classified into two types. So, on the basis of cell number, you can see on the basis of cell number, living organisms can be classified into two categories, that is unicellular and multicellular. Okay, unicellular and multicellular. Then here you can see the flow chart. This is the flow chart. Unicellular and multicellular. The uni means one and the multi means many. So I have told that on the basis of cell number, organisms are of two types. So uni means one and multi means two. Here organisms consist of a single cell or one cell. The organism which have one cell or whose body is made up of a single cell. That particular organism is known as unicellular organism, like euglena, amoeba, paramecium. Yes, then multicellular organism, the organisms made up of many cells, or the organisms whose body is made up of a number of cells. They are called multicellular organisms, like we, the human beings. Then words, yes, words, all the animals, elephant, dog, cat, crocodile, you can whatever you see in your surrounding, they all are multicellular organisms. There are also unicellular organisms, but we can't see them with our naked eye because they are microscopic in nature. Yes, so yes, this is all about cell number. Then cell shape. Shape means, do you know what do you mean by shape? Yes, shape means how it looks like. It's looking. Yes. So see, there are a number of cells. These all are cells. This is liver cell. This is fat cell. This is red blood cell. This is amoeba cell. Amoeba is an organism, but it is made up of a single cell. So the cell of amoeba is the body of amoeba. Same thing. Then smooth muscle cell, chlamydomonas. This is the nerve cell. Nerve cell. This is the nerve cell. Okay. So if we see, the fat cell have spherical structure. Yes. The muscle cell have streamlined structure, or we can say it uh, the structure of a spindle. It is spindle shaped. Yes, spindle, you know, yarn, uh, fiber like, fiber like. Then amoeba, this is irregular structure. Liver cell, this has also irregular structure. Chlamydomonas, this is a little oval, but mostly irregular. Yes. Then red blood cell, it has a Y concave structure. Yes. Then this is all about cell shape. Next, cell size. Cell number, cell shape, the next cell size. Okay. So cell size, if we consider the cell of an amoeba, then it is microscopic. That means its size is very, very, very small. But if we consider the cell of a human body or the or a nerve cell, this one, this one, nerve cell. If we consider the nerve cell, then it is very large, very long. But the cell of an amoeba, it looks like big, but not. It is not actually big. It is very, very small, microscopic. The nerve cell is also microscopic, but it can be seen. It is larger than the cell of an amoeba. Yes. So cells vary considerably in their size. The smallest cell, the smallest cell is PPLO. That means pleuropneumonia-like organism, also called mycoplasma. Yes, mycoplasma is about 0.1 micron in diameter. Its diameter is 0.1 micron. Micron means 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 3. 1 is equals to micron is equals to 10 to the power minus 3. This is micron means micrometer. So 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So minus means very, very small. Yes. Then the ostrich egg considered to be the largest cell. So you know the egg is one celled. Egg is always one celled, and when it is hatched by its mother hen, then it multiplies. Yes. So ostrich egg is the largest cell. It is nearly about 170 in diameter. So ostrich egg is 170 in diameter and considered to be the largest cell. There is a here is a schematic diagram of here is a schematic diagram of an egg. Yes, here is the white part called albumin. This is the outer cell. This is yolk, the yellow part that is made up of lipid. Then cell membrane. This is the inner one. Air sac, the outer one. So these are the layers and parts of egg, a hen's egg. But this is also made up of one cell. But we can see it with our naked eye. So it is the largest one. Here, the yolk is the nucleus actually, and it is the cell content. These are the cell content, and this one is the nucleus. Yes. In table 1, there are the size of some cells. First, amoeba. The size of one amoeba cell is 1000 micrometer. This is micrometer. 1000 micrometer. Then hen's egg 60 that means millimeter. Ostrich egg 170 Then green alga or cara, this is 10 centimeter. This has a larger size, but green alga. Uh, then human body. inside the human body, it is red blood cell which have size of 9 micrometer, liver cell 20 micrometer, human ovum 0.1 mm to 100 micrometer, nerve cell that is about 1 meter. So 1 meter means we can see it perfectly, clearly. Yes, note 1 micrometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. Yes, the lifespan of a red blood cell is about 120 days. So red blood cell can live at most 120 days, not more. After 120 days, it dies. Yes, and its dead body. Uh, the dead bodies of humans are either wounded or wound. But the dead bodies of these cells, red blood cells, when it dies, where it goes, there is also a system. There is also a system which is the buried place of these cells. This is spleen. Remember it. This is spleen. Spleen is the buried place of the red blood cells or RBC. When they die, they are placed inside the spleen. Okay. So these are all about cell, its discovery, its number, shape, and size. So it is enough for today. Next class we'll discuss about the parts of a cell, different parts, a constituent of a cell like cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, their functions. Okay. So okay.